In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently upload a new theme to your Shopify store. This is an essential skill for any online entrepreneur looking to refresh their store's look and feel or implement new features through a different theme. Let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Shopify. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have access to all your store's settings and features. If you're new to Shopify, you'll find that its intuitive interface makes navigation pretty straightforward. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your dashboard where you'll see various options listed. These are all the different aspects you can manage within your store. You're going to focus on the Online Store section, which is typically found midway down the list. Click on it, and it will take you to a new page dedicated to everything concerning the visual presentation of your store. Once you're on the Online Store page, you'll notice a few different options available. For today's task, look towards the upper right corner of your screen, where you should see a button labeled Import Theme. Go ahead and click on that. This will prompt a small dialog box to pop up asking you to upload a file. You're going to want to have your new theme ready in a zip file format, which is the required file type for Shopify theme uploads. If you haven't already downloaded or created a theme that you want to implement, make sure to do so, as this is a crucial requirement. Once you have your zip file ready, click on the Upload Zip File link in the dialog box. This will open a File Explorer window, allowing you to navigate to the location where your theme file is stored on your computer. Simply double-click on the file or select it and press Open, depending on your system preference, and Shopify will begin uploading your theme. Uploading might take a moment, depending on your internet connection speed and the size of the theme. Once the upload is complete, you'll see your new theme listed in the Themes section of your online store. From there, you can customize it to better fit your brand identity and provide an engaging customer experience. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a new theme to your Shopify store. Remember, updating your store's theme is a great way to keep things fresh and ensure your presentation is always aligned with your business vision. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you feel more confident managing the visual aspects of your online store. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more of our content for further Shopify tips and tricks.